it is what it is. So I was thinking about the order of proceeding with the truck, pretty much from front to back. So first and foremost, it'd be this trim that goes around here. After that, it'll be this here, the headlight. Then we can put the grill back on, and then that's good for the most part. After that, front bumper, and then I would pretty much complete the side of the front of the truck. Moving back will be side markers on both sides. Side markers on both sides. Making sure that we have our door seals in. Coming back. And then screws for the tail lights, seals and all of that. And then back bumper. That'll take care of the outside. Moving into the inside. It basically would only leave door panels, door sweeps. As you can see, they are missing. So door sweeps and door panels and motor, which would also help as well. That looks to be the gist of it. So in that order, more or less, will be where it needs to happen or how it needs to happen. Moving forward with the truck, but like I said, she looks hella good. Sun's not even on her. When the sun hit her, she definitely turned into a whole different creature. Yeah, she looking good. What's going on, y'all? As you can see, it is raining like crazy. It's been raining like this the last couple of days. Hopefully this will last for the last couple of days. I still ain't brought the truck in. I brought it in tomorrow or some shit. It's just been raining. Of course, there's still some more shit I gotta finish getting the dirt over there. So I'm about to head to work. Soon up on my down key. The dude complimented the Ram today. He was like, hey man, what year that is? I'm like, oh, you know, it's a little 17. Like, oh man, it look good. I don't know if he was being for real or if he patronizing me or being funny. So, but yeah, I need to find my work key in here so we can get on the way. Oh yeah, I thought y'all was going to work with me or something. Next day, I did pick up some stuff from work. I guess I could share that with you friends. Show you what I got for the C10. I was talking to who was I talking to? I was talking to my partner the other day, man. I was just like, I'm really trying to finish everything up this year. If I can go on and get everything finished up this year, yeah, we good to go. So let me get this stuff up here to the garage and I'll show you. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LS254, man. And I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LSChevy254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Chevy Rider or Caprice today. Actually, I'm gonna show you what I got for all the cars, and then I'm gonna show you what I got for the C10. And then when the rest of the stuff for the C10 get here, then I'll show you that. Or I don't know. All right, so since I already kind of showed y'all this in a live stream, if y'all was there, boom. Performance gauge from AEM. If you don't know what this is, you don't even know what's about to happen. It's about to go down in a major way. As soon as I get this tape off of here. Yeah. Alright, boom. Woo, alright. So as you can see, you got the AEM wideband. Yeah, AEM wideband gauge. Let's see, open up the box here. Of course, you have your gauge. I have it sent up all pretty for you up front. Trying to see how the hell I'm supposed to open this without tearing the box. But yeah, so there go your gauge. Apparently this is, I guess, not what you're paying the most money for. So on the back of the gauge, you got two connectors like that. And yeah. Also included is a O2 bung, so you can weld it onto your exhaust. You can do it that way. Some people add an additional bung. Some people use one of their pre-existing bungs on the driver's side. I guess it just depends on what you're trying to do. If you're just trying to dial it in, you can use the wideband and then let the O2s do it from there. So, or you could just run wideband all the time. I mean, choice is yours. See what else is in the box. So you got this cable here, which looks like it's going to plug to the smaller of the two plugs on the back of here, which will be this one at the bottom. And then there is the second wire, which actually has the wideband. Well, hold on, I lied. And then it's the second one that has the actual that goes to that top one. It does come with some instructions. It also comes with a sticker. You know I like stickers. It's a very expensive sticker, but we like it. Let's see. But yeah, it comes with an instruction manual, how to do it and all of that, but that ain't what this video is about. So we'll come back and we'll revisit that when we get ready to jump off into that. But I did want to show y'all officially on a video that wideband is here and it's about to get interesting. And then you got your actual wideband sensor here, or the O2 sensor for it. So very interesting, very interesting. This plugs into this plug. So I'm guessing if you wanted to, I don't know, disconnect from it, then you could. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Alright, so everything back in the box on that one. Let me show you what else we have coming up. So for the C10, picked up a couple things interior wise. The C10 is in the phase of just kind of closing everything up. So I have not one, but two new mirrors for the C10. I was gonna get them from LMC, but I was able to get them cheaper to the job. So those are on deck. I swear it feels like every time I get some stuff cleared out and I start buying shit again and stacking it up. Also got door striker bolts for the C10. Part number is 38420. 38420. Direct replacement. So if your door is not closing right or something, then you know, get one, get two. I think if y'all remember back in the day, I had just put some tape on one of them because somebody had suggested that. I mean, it worked for a while, but you know, now that we plugged in and all of that, boom, got these and we're good to go. So it had been raining and everything here lately, like I was telling y'all. But what I decided to do, I was gonna go back to the junkyard and I was gonna get that window regulator for the window regulator for the passenger door, but I decided I just going to get it new. So new regulator for that passenger door to make it a manual. Make it a manual. Some people might be like, why are you going manual? Because I want to. How about that? But yeah, part number for this is going to be for those who may want to. For the C10 door, part number is 740650. 740650. So parts are kind of accumulating again, but I'm gonna get them on and get them out of the way. Get them on, get them out of the way. That's the plan. So tune in next time. See what will he do next? What will he do next? So it's your boy LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.